Hi, this is Jeremy with I Find Leaks. We're here in Tampa doing a leak detection. A customer had some wet spot on the carpet, and using our infrared camera, we found some water around the refrigerator. We pulled the refrigerator out to find it dripping out of the bottom of the fridge, what we thought immediately. And you see a little drip coming down here. After further inspection, we found the tiniest little leak. It's so small it actually looks like smoke. But right there, you can see it spraying on my finger and now dripping onto the floor. But even the smallest leaks, we can find them at I Find Leaks. Thanks for watching.